Today I am packing for our 2-week trip to Florida. There is me, my husband, and my son. He is two and a half by the time we go. I am a few weeks out at the minute and I am surrounded by stuff. It is such a chaotic mess. I have 2 suitcases out and we're going to see if we can fit in 2 suitcases without going over an allowance. I feel like we've got a lot of stuff, but then at the same time I'm like, it can't be that much. But we have 1 suitcase there and then a completely empty one behind me. We are actually also packing to move house, so there are boxes everywhere in this house. There's actually literally one right here. Let's just get packing now. I don't think I'm ready for this. So this is what we're looking like right now. I've got a bag of my stuff, a bag of my husband's stuff. We've got a suitcase full of junk. We've got an empty suitcase. We've got my toddler's suitcase for the plane, my toddler's clothes, random clothes we still need, and God knows what else. I feel like I need to empty some of this suitcase just to start in the slightest. I also have a bag there that's full of stuff. I actually have all of these things in here that have been in here for a while that we will not need in the suitcases, but we will need. Oh, am I really going to do this? Am I really just going to throw stuff on the floor? Yep, I am. I really am. I think that I've just decided I'm going to pack my husband's clothes first and I'm going to go with the big suitcase. So we're going to do that now. Let's get this thing moving. I don't know how I'm going to do this because honestly, God knows. It's just going to happen. It's just going to happen. It's going to work out. I don't know how it's going to work out, but it is. I also feel like I need to empty this thing. I mean, look at this stage. Plunk them all on my husband's side table. Now I feel like we're getting somewhere, you know? We're getting somewhere. Honestly, the amount of climbing that's going to have to happen in this video. That is more of his stuff. We need a different angle, and the only way to get that is to climb everything. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That is basically all of my husband's things. I just really feel like I'm going to be able to get my son's like loads in here. That is what I'm looking like so far. And do you know what? That is like most of those clothes I pulled out. Just his shirts and vests are there. But I do also need to pull out this thing to see if there's any of these that I'm going to be taking because I do not quite know. I honestly really should have counted while I was rolling all of those to see how many outfits he had. Swimming things. Swimming things. Honestly, the great thing about this toddler's clothes is that you can really double layer these things. That is what we're looking like right now. Yeah, that's basically all his clothes. Just need to decide about these because I feel like he needs a couple joggery pairs. But then that's all my husband's and all my son's in one half of a suitcase. But I think I might just use the other suitcase. I might use that one for all my things. Then we can put all gizmo-y stuff in there. We'll see. I'm just going to whack his underwear on the top like that. Same with his socks because I feel like I can get away with shoving them like right here. Don't know whether to take these out yet. Or again, just do that. I'm feeling like that works, doesn't it? I'm kind of thinking like, can I just get these 2 towels in here as well? Let's see if that would zip with all them in there. Oh, I feel like it would, you know. Oh, it fits so easily. Oh, that's so nice. There's even gaps, like right here, that I could have used. Just try and pack all of my clothes into the other suitcase, just to have them out of the way as well. I think then we're just down to having the 2 suitcases, which is a lot easier to maneuver around than like 6, 7 bags on the floor. So I have like these 2 pockets here for like shoes and things. Then I have a zip here, and then I have this little zip thing here, but I'm thinking I might put the sunglasses in there that we've got. Although, will that break? You know what I mean? Is that a risk of them breaking there? I don't know. All I know is that's basically them 2 packed. I think I need to whip out the other suitcase now. This one. And start packing my stuff in this one. I've got the active track function enabled, and it is so weird. So, big bag of stuff. The only way forward is to just straight up do that and then deal with the consequences. If nothing else, it means that I will have to put it away. It's far too hot for this hair. Right, so I think I'm going to try and pack shorts first. My biggest concern here while packing this is I don't even know if I've got any outfits. Yeah, I'm really hoping I've got outfits because I'm looking at everything. See, the problem with me is I have heavily prioritized getting my son cute outfits that I've kind of just like forgot about me, let's say. But I'm hoping that like I've at least managed to get something, so. Okay, that's all the clothes I have so far, barring these 2 items that need a wash. So then I've just got all my socks and underwear. I kind of really don't want to roll them because I feel like that'll just take up more space, but I'm just gonna plug them there for now. I'm gonna take this one out of there. That is probably good enough for me right now. I think that's where I'm going to take a break. I have put most of the clothes in the suitcases now. I just need to go ahead and put like all the things like this back in the suitcase for now, and then they can get sorted out at a later date, I feel like. For right now, I'm going to dump everything else in the suitcases, and I'll be back when I'm back for you. It'll be in the next clip. So let's cut to that one. This is where I'm up to right now. I've just put the fans in here. I've kept one out just in case it's really hot when we get there. That's how this side is looking. I've got a few more clothes to go in this side, but I think this is done. I think we just need to pack a whole load of sweets in this bag. I honestly don't know which part of this bag that the sweets are going to go in. We've got a hairbrush. I've also got a car mount because we will be driving over there, so I'm going to put that in here as well. And then clip for our pram, probably go in this zip pocket. And then that is pretty much it in this until the night before. Actually, I need to put all of his gizmos in here. I've got this bag of goodies, and I think I'm going to put most of the stuff in this thing. Then I need a couple tubs of Play-Doh. What colour should I use? I think he likes purple. Do some pink, because he likes pink too. And I might just give him a green one as well. Do green as well. I might just take this out. No, I feel like it'll be fun for him to get it out of the packet himself. That is all of his gizmo things, except obviously his books and camera. Put these books in the back here where my laptop's going. Let's see. I think this is going to go in with... Oh, do you know what? I could probably just stay in here. I can stay in there. I'm not going to bother zipping them up because there's going to be more going in here. I think this is done. I think this is everything. I hope it's everything. So I'm hoping I've got everything. As I said, the only thing I've got left to put in here, I think, are shoes. I've got my son's swim shoes in here already, but I need to decide which shoes he's wearing on the day. So that's it, really. Maybe I should go get them now. Okay, so we're back with the mic, so the audio might be a bit nicer. I just ran and got a bunch of nappies because my son is potty trained, but not at night. So we need overnight nappies. So I've got a bunch of them. I've got to put all those sweets back in here, but it's pretty good. The only other things again in here that need to go in are chargers and things like that. Oh, my straighteners also need to go in here. But other than that, oh, and my makeup. It's just all the last minute things you can think of. They're not packed. Everything else is. I haven't actually put anything in my son's suitcase yet because I think he's just going to have his teddies, his pillow, and his, what do you call it? Teddies? Pillow, blanket for on the plane. So I think I'm pretty much done. My son's camera and white noise machine will need to go in here Monday morning. My straighteners will need to go in here. My makeup, I'm not taking a lot of makeup because I'm going to be sweating, but I'm taking a few things. They'll need to go in. Today's Saturday and we're going on Monday, and I'm so stressed because I want to get completely packed so that Sunday night we can put the suitcases in the car, then everything's in the car and nothing else matters. But I can't because there's so many things that we're still using up until Monday morning. So I find it stressful that I'm not just completely ready. I think I'm done. I think I'm ready to go. I'm ready to be in Florida. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, even though I feel like it's been a bit all over the place. I filmed it across like 2 days, so it's a bit mismatched. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. See you later.